So hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this Valentine's inspired look. I used a lot of warm tones, red tones, and I paired it with a pink lip. And I have really long eyelashes on, as you can tell. But yeah, I had so much fun creating this, and I hope everybody has a happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. It really helps me out. Hit that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys like beauty videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, okay? And yeah, so without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. By Lorac, it's just a really good moisturizer. Just gonna put a bit on my face. For eye primer, I'm gonna use it's the e.l.f. primer. It just looks like this. It's just a really good affordable primer, so pop that on my lids. And then I'm gonna blend that out with, I don't even know where I got this from. This is foundation brush. I just like to blend out my primer with that. So once we have all that done, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I'm just gonna set my lid with, I'm not sure of the name, it kind of wore off, but I'm gonna be setting it with this one right here. Doing that with my Real Techniques setting brush. Going into my Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna take Shy right here. It's like a mauve color. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Which is Quo. It's just a blending brush by Quo. I'm just gonna put that, start it in the outer V. And then I wanna make sure this is really blended. This is a brush I got off eBay. It's a fake 217 brush, obviously, but I like it because it's really flat. If you can see, it's pretty flat. So I'm gonna use that and apply Flamingo. I want the darkest part to be on the outside here. Bitten by Makeup Geek, really small brush. This one is by The Balm, just a really small crease brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and focus that more on my the sides, like the outer V. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take the brush I had before that I was putting the transition color in with. Just gonna take that and try to blend it out a bit so it doesn't look so cray-cray. And just take like a wipe or something and perfect that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Quo blending brush, and I'm gonna take that first color, Shy. Actually, no, I'm going to take a bit of Man Eater right here. Real Techniques Dual Fiber Blending Brush. I love this brush. I'm going to take a bit more of this one and this one. That same Bitten color underneath my lash line. Now I'm going to cut out my crease with this Flawless. It's just a concealer. I'm gonna go over that with, by MAC, it's rose pigment. It's so beautiful. I don't have any glitter glue or anything. I just usually spray my brush with Fix Plus or any setting spray that you have, and that same brush that we used before. Add a tiny bit, a little of black, this color right here, from the Kat Von D, like right here. Okay, so for black eyeliner, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula 60 Boost. Looks like that. Okay, for eyebrows, I'm going to use Brow This Way. This one is dark brown. I'm just going to use that with the xoxo brand in Canada. I'm going to use it with that brow. And I just grab a spoolie and just kind of brush like that. And for mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous. Okay, so for lashes, I'm putting these on. These are Quo. I'm going to be using Duo Lash Glue. Okay, I had a heck of a time putting these lashes on, but I got them on. And they are really, really long, but that's okay. So, and then I'm just going to put this mascara. It's called Mega. It's by Revlon. And I'm going to be using the Rimmel Plain Black Eyeliner. A flat brush, and I'm just going to carve out under my eyebrows. I'm just going to take like any powder, and I'm just going to take a blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of put that brow bone and just try to blend it, make sure the colors are blended really well. So, L'Oreal Magic Lumi for my primer. I love this primer. It's really pretty. It's really nice in the summer too if you want like a glow. And for foundation today, we're going to be using Makeup Forever. Put a bunch on my face. Okay, and then I'm going to blend that out with my Lumora Beauty. Got off Amazon by a brand called Lumora. But yeah, I have the Sigma one too, the F80, and it's like identical. I'm gonna take my Age Rewind. And this one's pale. This is by True Match. It's a contour stick. We're going to take that and just blend that out with, this is called Face Secrets. It's one of those brushes. Push it back into my hairline. Real Techniques brush. my Kat Von D highlight and contour kit. With Marcel Flawless blush or brush, I don't know what it is. Doesn't say. Powder brush. I'm gonna take a bit of this shade right here from the contour kit, Anastasia ABH contour kit. Don't forget to get your jaw. Take a little bit of Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Looks like that. It smells so good. With my Real Techniques dual fiber brush. This is the Balm in Stony. It's really pretty. It's a really bright pink. So yeah, you want to use a really light hand with this. Like a really light hand. Take a bit of it. Like, see, there's barely nothing on. See, wow, even even that was too much. Lipstick, we're going to be using these today. So this is the Maybelline, and then this one is by Essence. This is in Wish Me a Rose. And then what I do, and then I'm going to take a little bit of MAC. This is Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. This is an oldie. Looks like that. With the same brush. Yeah, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's inspired look. Yeah, this is typically what I would wear if I, you know, Valentine's, going for dinner or something. I would typically wear this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much. Bye.